How you doing? My name is Josue Diaz and I'm here to talk about my fire prevention topic. I chose the battery operated smoke detectors because out of all the tools in your home to prevent fires, none is more important than the smoke detector. The smoke detector, or the battery operated kind, started in the 1970s and has reduced fire related deaths by half. Everyone in your home should be familiar with the smoke detector, specifically the alarm signal. Also, everyone should be familiarized on how to or distinguish the chirping sound, which you'll hear my smoke detector has the chirping sound, which indicates a low battery. Smoke detectors fail because of missing, disconnected, or dead batteries. When detectors chirp, like I said, the battery is low. Also, the location of these smoke detectors are very important. You should have at least one smoke detector for each room. Also, you should check the test button every week, and you always want to go over your owner's manual, and it'll tell you how to check them, how to change the battery, and when they expire. So every week you want to hit this button right here, and it'll tell you whether it is working properly. And as you can see, it is not working properly, because if it did work properly, this would be green. But as you can see, it's red, meaning that the 9-volt battery is dead. All right. Also has an inner connection right here that goes into the wall. There's some wiring in the wall that you need to connect it here, and this basically allows the other smoke detectors to go off simultaneously to warn everybody in the household. That's why it's very important to have one in each room. Also, smoke detectors should never be painted over. Paint prevents them from working properly. Also, smoke detectors should be changed every 10 years, and it'll have an expiration date when you purchase it right here. So make sure when you purchase it, the date is accurate. Also, you should always refer to your owner's manual. Smoke detectors come in different types. They come in the ionization type or the photoelectric type. This one right here is the ionization type. If you want more information on the difference between them, like I said, you should go over your owner's manual. That's my topic on smoke detectors. Thank you very much.